Hey there, ever fumbled through a stack of business cards wondering if there's a better way? Welcome to Meishi Pro, your ultimate digital business card for the fourth industrial revolution. What's that, you ask? It's just a fancy way of saying the digital era. And trust us, you want to be a part of it. So what's Meishi Pro? Imagine your business card got a superhero makeover. Now it can manage contacts, schedule appointments, generate leads, and even run an online store. And it all fits in your phone. Pretty neat, huh? But wait, there's more. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Meishi Pro is a progressive web app. That means it's as easy to use as your favorite app. Just save it on your phone, and voila! Your digital business card is always at your fingertips. Let's talk features. And believe me, we have a bunch. NFC tap technology. Want to share your info? Just tap and you're done. It's like magic, but real. Services and testimonials. Show off what you do and let your happy clients do the bragging. Social links. All your social media in one place. Because who needs the hassle of remembering all those passwords? Calendar. Book appointments faster than you can say calendar app. Custom fonts and password protection because a personal touch and security never go out of style. Customization is our middle name.
Well, not really.
But you get the point.
Choose from pre-built templates or get fancy with your own domain. You can even add custom HTML, JavaScript, and CSS code if you're feeling particularly tech-savvy or just want to impress your friends. Still not convinced? Let's talk numbers. We've got 1.4 million users and have been rocking this digital world for 12 years. That's right, 12 years of making life easier for people just like you. If Meishi Pro were a person, it'd be a cool teenager by now. Here's the kicker. With Meishi Pro, you get to simplify your life. All your links, contacts, and info in one place. No more digging through a cluttered wallet or endlessly scrolling through apps. Just one tap and you're ready to roll. Ready to join the digital revolution? Or at least make your life a whole lot easier? Get started with Meishi Pro today by contacting the person who sent you this video. Your future self will thank you. Trust us, no one misses the days of paper cuts from business cards. Uncomplicate your life with Meishi Pro, the digital business card that does it all. Because why not have your cake and eat it too? Meishi Pro, your digital ID for the digital age.